Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change content restrictions on iPad. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPad and scroll down on the left side menu until you find Screen Time, then tap on it. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions to open the restriction settings. If it is turned off, switch the toggle to the right to enable it. You may be asked to enter a 4-digit screen time passcode, and if you do not know it, the person who set it up will need to enter it. Now tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games to adjust the main content restrictions. Here you can control different limits for apps, web content, and other media settings. To change app limits, tap on Apps and then choose the rating you want, such as 17+ or allow all if you want to remove restrictions. Once you select your option, the changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You have successfully changed content restrictions on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.